I'm Jade Cargal, and I'm an art director in Minerva. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a glitch effect in Photoshop.
The first step in creating your glitch effect is going to be choosing a solid color to use as your background. This can be done by going to Edit, Fill, and in the drop-down menu under Contents, select Color. I'll be using black for this exercise, but you can use whatever color you like. Once you've chosen, select OK twice. Then, go to File, Open, and select the image you want to use to create your glitch effect. Copy this image using Edit, then Copy, or shortcut Command C. Paste the image using Edit, then Paste, or shortcut Command V. Then use your arrow keys to position the image how you like. Next, using shortcut Command J, duplicate your image. This can also be done by going to your Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer. Next, you want to convert your image to black and white by going to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. Select OK. Duplicate your layer once again, and then go to FX at the bottom of your page. Select Blending Options. Deselect your red, but leave your blue and green. Select OK. At this point, you should be able to drag your top layer to create a blue and green haze. Once you're happy with how it looks, go to your third and final layer, copy it the same way we did before, and paste onto your working space. Once pasted, change the layer type to Overlay, and save your image as you like.
I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a glitch effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.